how did Ron and I connect? 6 years ago, I bumped into him at a coffee shop and made the mistake of asking him what he was up to in retirement, because by the time we left after a couple hours, he already walked out with my commitment to help him take his vision and make it a reality.
Ron is definitely a visionary for diversity.
You know, I seen the problems that many people of color were experiencing going through back in the 50s and what have you. I was just saying to myself, what can I do to really change this and make a difference in the community and how people really think and view other people.
Ron is perceptive in understanding why things aren't the way they should be. He's just not willing to let them stay there.
He is a humble and confident leader. He's quiet in his pronouncements, but very loud in his outcomes.
I would describe Ron as a quiet storm. In terms of full force, he is for the people.
And he has a real unique ability to mobilize people, even though they see things differently.
In our society, we have the tendency of just putting Band-Aids on things. For instance, if crime goes up in the neighborhood, let's build more prisons, rather than looking at what is the root cause of the crime and why are they committing it and what's going on in their lives.
If you just look at the way Seeds of Promise is organized, in that it's not this outside organization coming into a neighborhood and saying this is the service that we're going to offer you people, versus here's you people, and you people make the decisions for you people.
The people actually control and run the organization for Seeds, and I just work for the people.
And this is what Seeds is all about. They asked him, what should they do next? And he came back and said, it's your neighborhood. What do you want to do? And how do we help you?
The biggest change that I have seen is the willingness of the residents to take control of their own destiny.
I think in receiving this award, it's a timely one for him. I think it's an affirmation of what he has stood for many years.
Ron is very much a person that throws the spotlight off of himself in terms of helping people.
You know, it's a good feeling. Like I told my staff, this is great, but my greatest reward is when I step before the big boss and he says, well done, my good and faithful servant. You know, I really would like to thank the Chamber for, this recognition. I hope it inspires others to move forward and follow, the vision and the path that they're on, to do things that's really going to have a everlasting impact on the community and people.